Then, in fact, in the engagement with the management, I made it clear to them that I had listened to their side of the story. And therefore, as a minister, I will also listen to the other side of the story. And I then constituted a committee to look into the matter, bring out recommendations for implementation. A lawyer, a nurse, a medical doctor, an auditor, an HR person to go into the matter. Now, when I pulled out, my attention was drawn to a gentleman called Ralph, who was at the center of the controversy. And so he was working towards us as a group. The medical director was with me. The deputy director general was also with me. Then I asked, why did you do this, gentleman? When I asked, most of you were there. I mean, the press, you were there. So you can attest to what I'm saying. You were there with me. When I asked him, the gentleman then stretched his hand, shaking me and trying to whisper something into my ears. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, should I push the guy that don't whisper anything into my ears? Should I snub him? Should I shout at him? Even if that guy has been prosecuted and sentenced to life imprisonment, and he stretches his hand to shake me, as a minister, as a public officer, I have the duty to stretch and greet him. So let us not reduce the fact that I shook hands with him does not mean that I should stop any measure or any steps that the ministry or government will take to unravel the situation. And so I understand, on a more lighter note, I have been reminded of the fact that I'm a farmer. Yes, nobody needs to remind me. I'm a proud farmer, and everybody knows it. Not until my appointment, I was one of the largest rice farmers in this country, and I'm proud of that. Please, we have a lot to deliver, and some of these things will not divert our attention. We will continue to do our best for Mother Ghana. I thank you for the opportunity.
We need a platform bay and one mounted that. I mean, you put it, we need a platform through your campaign, my MPP. As a juicy contract about MPP, mono, or you're OGB the man. As a Samira, young a brand and how to boss a Nikurdish or Mamma or Mammy Dinechi, and my one money a mayor president. And here now, Samira Omurai took Robin, with the Yen Ghana. Young took Robin Umrem, campaign Ben 1 year up to date. And so we didn't cut now no more sopano. Media me see as Sabri woman, dear. So I see a passion dear, maybe dear, as you know, you better passion dear 1st February 2026.
Yeah.
Any a better unity now, yes, unity no. Because now, me Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, me who that me who may be a chief. But me the policies and then the name of the ball my gun and muna. Opes the ball my gun and move a ball and Mabruma and Qualena Jumaye, and only year who. Then you will be a babbage on and Wusika, and I'm a fine cushion. And only a did Dr. Mahmoud Baumiachi, and you say, me will be a Mamisika, Nami Dinachi, no. And so her policy, Nipan de Bana, don't pay any team. On a book, I post also on the way for grassroots. One day, Okan or for grassroots. Grassroots to bear no one, if you want to constituency, why no one or now, maybe I may say, I see a hand from MPP, may can a natural. Uko to Abama no book, Japan, your wife say, MPP yet no position. Because there's no way to be Kotuna Bama or no book in Japan. And this is for one seven tapes from the banner. And before you move beyond, we dinner, you be in Ubitmansa, Ubitmansa, you move back, be in what? Nobody. eti yɛnhwɛ enipa a mfumsuo ni no ho asɛm ni no ho ɛna no beti sɛ ɔmo ka sɛ yɛpɛ obi a n'ani yɛden yɛpɛ nyansa na Ghana abatɔ ne yɛntɔkwa ne yɛkɔko ana yɛpɛ nyansa policies with the ideas ɛnyɛntɔkwa ne yɛbɛko no Ghana ho ɛyɛ ideas for wadwe no to hɔ na amanfoɔ mba aba mu obi obetimi di nnum aba na nyɛ sɛ yɛpɛ obi a di ade Ghana election yɛntɔkwa ne yɛkɔko.
Oh, they know what bisa sempa nipa ni bi kan say doctor ntimi enkasa ne ade enti ye but election entokwa
ye uba awia so nse nso hye fa nipa da
ne ba cho da bi
mi wi ase nipa ko a mi hu ye mi hu a mi suro nipa yo bi o ye dindin wo ye very dangerous obi o ye dindin obi o ye hatu ono ka na asem yi okọ be obi o ye dindin ene ohu na suro no Ghana election yantokwa ne yekokun ideas and ye present it is not me wiska and I find the kusi here now di atem and I'm yiri free asante mampo and he for kofi be na yiri free. When was the last time I we call asante mampo ko ye campaign with MPP ni and no na sa policy no e tan sem na ye bisa onabo kele Japan we so yiri free asante mampo da be na we yiri amount to platform asante mampo say me ye campaign by MPP and so juicy contract about MPP mo o yere na oje man so sorry aso ye grassroots o ye for grassroots uri amame fancy and man fancy an we nsema mekeka wa hwe ya beginsem
o de no ye da say nyamisha ya 10 o'clock bia no we follow yen what I say
okay
ye ka senate mama pounds
fire ne de me ayi mama nka yi mama jollof yenye ya bi se ye be jai fire no ena NDC enya atemdidie hu mfaso sase mo da bia me se NDC enya atemdidie hu mfaso etinye ne na mo be kate se atemdidie obi nya yo je nya ne nya akena go mo nya atemdidie hu mfaso e ba be gitumi
enya seat bebre
enti mo nya mo abi se atemdidie be jai eduru ba bi a wo se kwase a ye be ka kire wagimi a ye be ka kire wo
ye wo ntimi nya no bi ya ka wanu
I love you too
ntimi
wow don't you they need to the chipmunk
eduru ba bi a wo se jimi ni a ye be ka kire wagimi wo se kwase a ye be ka kire wo because NDC mo nya temdidie ho mfaso atua temdidie ka botumi bia
na Kevin Taylor yes wo nya contract a value over $70,000
more benefit what is enya afi na mo be ene ya chiwi
go for we pass Ghana school
what the madam say
Kevin Taylor contract
Mr. Odino Nyaminsha ye da sefa $70,000 kwani da o ma o mama
yeah Kevin Taylor contract Kevin Taylor the adwuma no ye eye atenie ene tro ene otwae ene Kevin Taylor woba vice president a residence a hono woda eti Ghanafuɔ no klasa atem didie no ye pe eno ne ye pe eti se wo ntimi nye ne so obi ya mesramo moma ye moni kutupa moma ye shane den no ono nso nye Kevin Taylor wodi atemu ata etimi ebedi heli na Idrisu atem no dia no asabe di dia na fusa mframagina mu ono what they say Sam George no mu nyina no twa no bedi wo ma
president mama Crowdy na tem
exactly
that's ya Sam George no the bibe or
yeah
mama kan hu bi
and so na a benefit wo mu no nti no wo mu nyina ka wo ma no tu mu say wunim say wo mu bie eyi ama no wo mu bie station ama no wo Ghana or be ye vice president adwuma maame no wo no wo pa akonwa ni bie di ne rig say kwadonko rig no wo pa akonwa ni bie di den say Kevin Taylor no wonu maame na adwuma no wo ba beye ene Kevin Taylor wo kasama Canada Japan ede na asie enunti no Kennedy no onu say no onye MPP ni bie mu nti mo ana mo ka say Kennedy ana mo ye misere onu na mo party ni mu say omu party no onye MPP ni bie mu o the party no akobo NDC mu enti no kakra na aka no ode na mo no onye na dwen say or the baby pay to me be. Or no na Johnny say omu guno because they are planning to build a new party together with Alanchile Mateno. I'm telling you, it's a Canadian idea. Grassroots for no. Samo nimuna samo mo kwa yamadwe samo kofana badia. Ono no party ni guo no kwan so ano onam. Enti no kwan obefa so obegu party no eno no wo pe. Ti samo koto abane ma no party no na wo mu gu no. Including JFK no nyina dia align with them. Wo edi enti na wo esese